So this is a movie.
No, he won't move at all.
Probably.
You're supposed to move now. Yeah.
Say, where's Daddy?
Where's Daddy, huh? Where's Oliver? Huh? Where's Oliver? Yeah. Oh, try to open the eyes up. Trying to open the eyes up. Yeah.
This is entertaining.
Hmm?
Have you two been able to lay and just
Not look at the baby?
look? No.
No, kid's gotta be
I
in
saw
this.
eyes.
The kid's gotta be in this thing.
I saw eyes.
When he's in the room?
I mean, we can hold on to him just like this,
But you know, he's warmer if somebody's holding him. So I'm really surprised that they want him in that.
they come and check on him like every half hour when he's in the room.
Oh.
Take his temperature, heartbeat.
They're filling out the chart. They're filling out your chart. Yeah.